Hi, this is Jamie with Integra Electrical, and I am here with my husband and business partner, Ben. Hi, Ben.
Hello.
We are here in Monticello, Iowa, and just a couple hours from where we live. You can see back in the back, that is called what's it called?
A water park.
I want to say Widget, but that's not what it's called.
Yeah.
Anyway, the kids are looking forward to playing on that later this afternoon. And being here, relaxing a little bit, got me thinking about our past vacation, I don't know, philosophy, maybe you could call it. And you want to tell us a little bit about what that was, what that used to be?
Well, it's been a lot of. It's got to be perfect. It's got to be long. It's got to be expensive.
We'll wait for the kids.
We'll wait for everything to be perfect. We'll
Kids-
wait for everything in the business to line up exactly right.
And it never happens.
It doesn't?
No.
It doesn't happen.
So maybe you need a little reminder. We sure do from time to time. Just get away, spend a little time with your family.
Rest.
You can always make more money, but you can't always make memories. So
That is really
oh,
good.
thank you. Until next time, see you later.